A $6 can of WD-40 sitting in your garage right now could quietly save you from repair bills that run well past $3,000 if you know exactly where to use it. The catch? A lot of people spray it in the worst possible spots and end up making things worse. Here's a full breakdown of the right moves, the wrong ones, and the one place this stuff should never touch under any circumstances. One of the most underrated uses for WD-40 is finding vacuum leaks in your engine, a rough, idle, random shaking at red lights, or a check engine light that seems to have no cause. These symptoms are often tied to a small vacuum leak that nobody thinks to check. With the engine running, spray a short burst near the vacuum hoses. If the idle suddenly smooths out or changes, you've found your leak. The product temporarily seals the gap just long enough to confirm the location. No diagnostic scanner needed, no guesswork. That $6 can just replace a $150 shop visit and potentially stopped a problem that could have turned into thousands in engine damage. Unlike carburetor cleaner, WD-40 is safe around plastics and sensors, making it far more practical in tight engine bays. Electrical issues in cars are sneaky. One corroded connector can cascade into failed sensors, misfires, and ECU problems that leave you staring at a $1,000 plus repair quote. The root cause is almost always moisture getting into the contacts over time. WD-40 was literally invented to displace water. That's actually what the WD stands for. A light spray over clean, unpowered terminals creates a moisture barrier that stops corrosion from getting a foothold. If you're working near sensitive electronics or want a residue-free finish, reach for WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner instead. It evaporates fast, leaves nothing behind, and gives you longer-lasting protection on delicate components. Winter has a way of turning rubber door seals into a headache. Cold temperatures cause the rubber to harden and stick, which makes doors difficult to open, and over time, those seals crack and stop doing their job. Water gets in, mold grows in the carpet, electrical connections get damp, and suddenly, you're looking at up to $2,000 in interior damage from something that started as a minor rubber issue. WD-40 Specialist Silicone Spray keeps door seals pliable, water-resistant, and in good shape through the cold months. Apply it to clean seals every few months, wipe off the excess, and those seals will last far longer than they would otherwise. Tree sap looks harmless, but it's surprisingly destructive. Left on your paint for too long, it works its way into the clear coat and causes discoloration and dullness that's expensive to fix. WD-40's solvent formula softens hardened sap so it lifts off cleanly without aggressive scrubbing. Spray it on, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and wipe it away with a microfiber cloth. After that, wash the area and put down a layer of wax to reseal the paint. This simple routine can save you from a costly repaint job and keep your finish looking sharp. License plates take constant punishment from rain, sun, road salt, and general grime. When a plate gets too faded or dirty, it can become unreadable, which is a ticketable offense in most places. WD-40 cuts through the built-up rust, grease, and road grime on the plate's surface. Spray it on, follow up with warm soapy water to rinse away the residue, then apply another light coat with a microfiber cloth for a cleaner finish. It won't bring back the original reflective shine, but it'll make the plate legible and presentable without spending money on a replacement. If a rusted bolt won't budge, WD-40 Specialist Penetrant is the right tool. Its formula works down into the threads and breaks the bond that rust creates between metal surfaces. Spray it directly on the bolt. Give it a few minutes to penetrate, then attempt to loosen it. You'll move that bolt without needing a torch or hammering things apart. For really stubborn cases, a second application and a longer soak time makes a noticeable difference. Chrome on bumpers, wheels, and trim loses its luster quickly from water spots, road grime, and light oxidation. WD-40 strips that build up off easily. Spray it on the chrome surface and buff it out with a microfiber cloth. For more stubborn staining, 0000 grade steel wool used gently alongside WD-40 won't scratch the chrome and handles tougher spots. There are no acids in the formula, so it's safe on chrome finishes and leaves behind a light protective layer that slows future oxidation. After a heavy rainstorm or an overly enthusiastic car wash, moisture inside the ignition system can prevent a car from starting. WD-40 works well here because displacing water is its original purpose. Spray it over the spark plugs, distributor cap, and any exposed electrical connectors. This helps drive out the moisture and restore normal function. It won't fix actual water damage to internal components, but for surface-level moisture issues, it can absolutely save you a tow truck call. A lot of people spray WD-40 on paint scratches thinking it'll help. It does make scratches look less visible temporarily. The oily film fills the surface slightly, but that's about where the benefit ends. That same oily layer attracts dust and dirt, which works its way into the scratch over time and makes the damage worse. For actual scratch repair, use a dedicated product like Megia's Scratch X or Turtle Wax's repair kit. Deep scratches need professional attention. WD-40 might seem like a reasonable substitute for engine oil in a pinch, but it absolutely is not. It has no thermal stability and breaks down quickly under the heat and pressure inside an engine. Using it as a lubricant for engine components can cause overheating, bearing failure, and seized pistons. In the worst scenarios, it leads to complete engine failure. Keep it out of the engine entirely. No exceptions. This is the one place WD-40 causes immediate dangerous consequences. Brake systems rely entirely on friction to function. WD-40 reduces friction. Spraying it anywhere near your brake pads, rotors, or calipers will compromise your stopping power, which is a safety emergency, not just a repair bill. Brake repairs can run $250 to $800 per axle under normal circumstances, but the real risk here isn't financial. If you need to clean brake components, use WD-40 Specialist Brake and Parts Cleaner. It's made specifically for this, evaporates completely, and leaves zero residue. WD-40 is one of those tools that rewards people who understand what it's actually designed for. Used in the right spots, it protects your vehicle from the kind of gradual damage that quietly turns into expensive repairs. Used in the wrong spots, it creates problems that didn't exist before. Keep a can handy, use it where it makes sense, and your car will thank you for it. Share.